a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. We have some animals, some farm animals, some wild animals, and some birds. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first animal is. The first one is.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there.
They are animal toys.
Old
The
MacDonald
first one is a rhino. This is a rhino. A rhino is a wild animal. This is a source. A source is a bird. This is a source. The next one is a hen. This is a hen. The next one is a source. A source is a bird. The next animal is alligator. This is alligator. The next animal is a peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock is a very beautiful animal. The next one is the lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest.